All right, guys, welcome to quiz number 2, lessons 1 through 9 review. The reason for this review is to go over all the errors that were present in your quiz because the errors that I saw were so common that you guys are going to review this video on your own and attempt to retake a quiz as soon as you finish this one. Stop it. Okay, so for number 1, it says to write and solve an equation for this diagram. So we've done many diagrams like this one, and the directions that were taught to you start at 0 and figure out what number this arrow represents. So this arrow represents 4. Okay, so from here it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So 4 plus. Now what I'm going to do is you want to make sure that the next arrow is stacked right above it. So since this arrow ends here at 4, the next one needs to begin. It can go to the right or it can go to the left, but it needs to begin right above it. So we're going to count the number of units. This is my solution, this -4. So plus something equals, Dante, please move.
Sorry, I just want to see.
Equals -4. So I'm going to count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I went left 8 units. So this line here is worth -8. So 4 plus -8 is equal to -4. So I start at 0, count the number of units this line is worth. Since it's going to the right, it's positive. Since it's going to the left here, it's negative, and I count the number of units. This line where it ends represents the solution. Okay, here is number 2.
You guys are really smart.
Okay, from number 2, the question is telling you that the total sum means addition, the total sum of -12, one number is negative, one number is positive. What could the two numbers be?
I think I know.
Well, sum positive plus sum negative equals -12. And I'm actually going to steal some of your answers because you guys did a great job with this. Some of you did +12 plus -24 is equal to -12. Some of you did, and this was really creative too, -13 plus 1. That one I really loved, equals -12. And there's so many options. Do you notice that the bigger absolute value is negative? And since the signs are different, I subtract. All right, and then the answer I had written on my answer key was 6 plus -18. All right, next one. Number 3. What do you want? All right, if the temperature outside...
Hello, guys. I got some new Hot Wheel cars.
All right, terrific.
Thanks a lot, Mom.
All right, if the temperature outside was 73 degrees at 5 p.m. and it fell, okay, it fell 19 degrees by 10 p.m., what is the temperature at 10 p.m.? So you're asked to do 2 things. A, write. B, solve an addition equation. So for this problem, a lot of you simply wrote 73 minus 19. But then you just stuck a plus sign in there, which doesn't make any sense. Like if you're going to make this plus, you have to make this negative. So this is equivalent to 73 add, and then this is opposite. -19. And the solution, when you subtract those, you are allowed to do this. This is a 6, that becomes a 5, and you get a 4 here. So solution 54 degrees. This is a negative.